Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys that are new, thank you for finding me. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Boxyluxe box, and the theme of this box is called Whimsy. As always, I'm going to let you guys see the MSRP prices. I will also say out loud the MSRP prices as I go along. So let's go ahead. The first item we have is from Storybook Cosmetics. I'm actually wearing this on my eyes now. Let me know if I look like a clown or if it looks kind of nice. So this retails for $55. It's a very nice palette, aesthetically pleasing, very nice for vanity. And I'm gonna go ahead and open her up and let you guys see inside. Mind you, I did use the palette, so there are gonna be fingerprints, brush strokes, etc. So these are the colors, very nice, aesthetically pleasing, pretty good weight to it, and nice mirror. So that is retails for, again, $55. Let's move on to from LMS. We have the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. This retails for $79. I'm a pretty big fan of LMS. I use their moisturizer at night and it helps me out a lot. So I'm very interested to see how this works later on. Moving on to the next item, we have the Ciate, where'd you go? Confetti Highlighter, retailing for $32. I do like Ciate. I'm not a huge fan on their highlighter, so this will be going in the giveaway. Again, this retails for $32. The next item we have is from Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, retailing at $48. I do use Fresh items pretty frequently, and they have like a lot of good skin benefits, so I'm very interested in this, but I do have a lot, so this is also going to be going into a giveaway. So if you're paying attention, then you're going to find out the secret emoji, which I'm going to put right up here. Don't forget to comment it down below. You must be 18 years or older and a US resident in order to enter this giveaway. Giveaway instructions are down below. So anywho, let's continue on to our Alrighty, the next item on our box is Daily Concepts Daily Hair Towel Wrap, retailing $18. It's good for a girl on the go, especially me, because I tend to leave with my hair wet dead of winter, so this will definitely help me not get sick as much. So thank you for the hair towel. Anywho, the next item is from In Beauty Power Up Dual Face Setting Face Mist. Don't say that too dumb fast. So another setting mist. Yay! Another setting mist. I am going to throw this in the giveaway because I have enough setting spray to set me to the gods. So this is also going to be going in the giveaway. From M Greengrass Dry Oil Spray Beach Air, whatever the heck that means. So this is a spray right here. This retails for $36, and it's supposed to basically moisturize dry skin without making you feel icky and sticky. So I'm definitely interested in trying that, especially now that it's wintertime. I do tend to get dry skin. From Too Faced, we have the Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss, retailing for $21. I'm also going to be throwing this into the giveaway because I'm not a huge fan of Too Faced. I'm sorry I said it, but everyone has the rights to their own thoughts and opinions. I just don't like Too Faced, so bye. And last item on the box is retailing $69, the Cosmetics Facial Roller. Is packed actually really nicely. Definitely interested in trying this one out. $69. We'll try it with some facial oils and see if my face looks less like a potato in 2 weeks. So let me know if you guys think my face looks less like a potato in 2 weeks. And that is everything inside the box. So thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. Keep on watching future videos for more and more giveaways before the season ends. So I will see you guys in the next one. And as always, thank you and goodbye.